Linking your bank account to your Etsy account is essential for receiving payments from your sales. Follow these steps to set up your bank account information. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the correct account that you want to link to your bank account. Step 2. Navigate to Shop Manager. Once logged in, click on Shop Manager located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the dashboard where you can manage your shop settings. Step 3. Access payment settings. In the Shop Manager, find and click on Finances in the left-hand menu. From there, select Payment Settings to access the area where you can manage your payment information. Step 4. Add your bank account information. In the Payment Settings section, look for the option to add your bank account. Enter your bank account details as requested, including your account number and routing number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid issues with transactions. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your bank account information, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked to your Etsy account. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to your Etsy account and start receiving payments for your sales. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Etsy support for assistance.